Hey guys, coming from the Codemaster today. Today we're going to be learning radio buttons. The next tutorial after this will be on checkboxes. But for radio buttons, we're going to be I've already made a form over here. I'll go ahead and show you that. I've spaced it out so you can see what it looks like. If you don't know how to make radio buttons or forms, you're going to need to go check that out on an HTML tutorial. I currently have none. I'm currently only doing PHP. But anyway, we just have 3 radio buttons, 3 friends. It says choose your best friend, choose friend for the submit button. Alright, so for that, we're going to move on to process. And like in the last tutorial, we did if statements. So this if statement is going to start off if. We have our function and our curly brace. And this is going to say if is set, if is set, and then you're going to put 2 more parentheses. And inside those parentheses you're going to check, and the name of our boxes are name. I'm going to go ahead and change these and make sure they're all the same, because if they're not, they won't be grouped correctly. Alright, friend. So here we're going to say underscore post, and inside of that we're just going to put friend. And I got that obviously from the name of our checkboxes. So if the button is selected, we're going to echo your best friend is space, and then we're going to first, sorry guys, we need to call the variable. So you're going to say friend, or whatever you want, $ underscore post, and we're going to say the name of the checkbox, which is friend, and then down here we're just going to call that variable into our echo, friend. And then for the else, we're just going to echo. Alright, it's a good thing to get, you don't have to put the curly braces if you're only putting one line, or you know how to put them. We're going to echo, and this is if no radio button is selected. You're like, no friend selected. And let's go ahead and save that and see if it works. Alright, so we got 3 friends here. I'm just going to pick Joe. And it says your best friend is Joe. Now let's go back and see what happens if I don't select one. No friend selected. Now let's just make sure these other ones are working. Okay, you can see there. Excuse me. So that's basically how you do a checkbox. You have to learn the isSet function. If you don't have this, you're most likely to get an error when trying to put a checkbox. So yeah guys, that's basically how you do, I think I was saying checkboxes, I meant radio buttons. Next will be checkboxes, but that's just the basic simple way of doing that. And you most commonly see these for male, female, you know, pick your age, or not age, but you guys know. And so yep, that's it for this tutorial. Next tutorial coming right after this will be checkboxes. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe if you want.